Welcome to FK iPhone. Today, we're diving into the Oppo Reno 11F, the latest mid-range offering from Oppo in 2025. This phone brings a stylish design, impressive specs and a solid camera system, all at a competitive price. Let's break down what makes this device worth considering. Starting with the features, the Oppo Reno 11F is powered by a capable chipset ensuring smooth performance for daily tasks and gaming. The display is a large AMOLED panel with a high refresh rate, making scrolling and video playback incredibly smooth. Oppo has optimized the software to deliver a clean and responsive experience. Battery life is another strong point, with a large capacity that easily lasts a full day and fast charging that quickly tops it up when needed. Now let's talk about the exterior. The Reno 11F follows Oppo's sleek design language with a slim and lightweight body that feels premium in hand. The back panel has a glossy finish with eye-catching color options that shift under different lighting. The camera module is neatly arranged, keeping the overall look modern and stylish. The device is built with durability in mind, featuring water and dust resistance for added protection. The camera setup is one of the highlights of this phone. The main sensor captures detailed and vibrant photos even in low light. The ultra-wide lens allows for expansive shots, while the macro camera is great for close-up details. The front camera is optimized for selfies with AI enhancements to make sure you always look your best. Video recording capabilities are solid with smooth stabilization and high-resolution support, making it a great option for content creators. In terms of software, Oppo has included a refined user interface with useful customizations and smart features. The phone supports an in-display fingerprint scanner for quick unlocking and face recognition for added convenience. Gaming performance is well optimized with a dedicated game mode that enhances frame rates and reduces distractions. Connectivity options are up to date with fast 5G support, reliable Wi-Fi and enhanced Bluetooth for seamless pairing with accessories. The speakers deliver clear audio, making media consumption enjoyable. Oppo has also kept the headphone jack, a feature many users still appreciate. In conclusion, the Oppo Reno 11F is a well-rounded smartphone that balances performance, design and camera capabilities at a competitive price. It's a great choice for those looking for a stylish and reliable device without spending flagship-level money. If you're in the market for a new phone in 2025, this one is definitely worth considering. That's it for today's video. Let me know in the comments what you think about the Oppo Reno 11F. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more phone reviews and tech updates. See you in the next one.